Would you like a handmade whiteboard animation to showcase your ideas? Yes, you heard right. Handmade. Custom made for you, hand-drawn by an expert illustrator. No stock images or tiresome computer-generated templates. Just give us a general concept or a script, and we will work it out with you. We bring your concept to life. An animated illustration is a cost-effective medium to get your points through. A video is easy to share online. You can add pictures or live video. Make your product and ideas stand out. Bring your training and presentations to life. We provide a high-impact, strong, and fun way to reach your goals. See how far your ideas can go. Want to learn more?